It is officially the worst time of the year, Valentine's Day. Couples gross me out. I hate this time of year, and it's probably because I'm lonely. A fun fact, actually, this shirt I got in middle school from a guy who asked me to be his Valentine, and I spent the entire day ignoring him. Sorry, dude. He probably doesn't watch these videos, but it's fine, but I appreciate it. I still wear it all the way from middle school. Here are some really quick and easy Valentine's Day gifts that are super simple. Some of my favorites that you can make for your boo thing if he or she deserves it. All right, let's go. All right, first up, we got this Spotify glass frame. It's totally customizable with your choice and photo. Look up the song in Spotify. And then you're gonna screenshot it like that. And then you're gonna screenshot the Spotify code. And then you're gonna upload it to your preferred software. I'm using Procreate, just getting rid of the excess borders. You only really need the title and the timestamp. Cleaning it up a bit, changing it to black and white. And then just resizing the title and the timestamp for your likings, adding the Spotify code, inverting the color, and then you're gonna upload it to Google Docs, resize that shit, and then you're gonna save it on your computer, name it whatever you like. And then you're gonna print it out. Get your glass from your frame. You're gonna use an acrylic paint marker. Shake, 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 shake. I know what you guys are thinking. Stop thinking dirty, you nasty. And then you're gonna trace over it using the marker. And there you have it. Put the picture on. And there you go. Ain't that so cute? And look, when you scan it on Spotify, it works. Nice. Isn't that so cute? Bro, why am I single? Next, you have this exploding box. Look at how cute it is. It has multiple layers. You're going to need a box like this. Open it. And then you're going to cut all four corners. Like that. You're going to have something like this. Next, you're going to grab a piece of paper. Make sure it's smaller than what it would be on the inside of the box. Make tic-tac-toe lines. Then you're going to cut out four corners. You're going to have something like this. And you're going to fold all the squares inward like this. Fold, fold, fold. And then you paste only the middle part inside the box. And you're going to do the same thing with another piece of paper. Fold, fold, fold. Then you're going to paste only this middle part again and put that inside. And then you're going to have this, right? Nice and cute. Wacha! Decorated like that. Nice. Hi, Cooper. And then you open the box and voila! It looks like this. Wow, so pretty. I'm so cute. I made the shit. Look at it. And decorate it however you want to. It's totally up to your liking. You can use some of the ideas that I have. Look at this shit. I'm so cute. I made this. Look at it. Explodes when you open it. Dude, I'm so cool. Look, it explodes when you open it. Oh my god, I am amazing. I am so cool. And this is what men do to your heart. Look. Boom, boom. Ah!
She's the best. She's so creative.
I know.
Lastly, we have this waterfall flip card. This took me like 15 minutes. You got it. Like, it literally takes not a lot of effort, but it's really cute. All right, first you're gonna need a card. You're gonna open it. You're gonna use the left side. Need some photos. Then you're gonna need this long piece of paper. You're gonna draw some lines on there about 1 centimeter apart. And then you're gonna fold on each line like so. Fold, fold, fold. And then you're gonna glue this first photo down on the very bottom, right beneath the first line. Like that. And then you're gonna repeat on the top one. Line it up like this. Very good, very good. You're doing great, sweaty. And then you're just gonna keep repeating and repeating until you run out of photos. Also, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, love you. Now you're gonna take the small thin piece of paper, like your boyfriend's dick, and then you're gonna put some glue on one side. You're gonna go under the first photo and paste it down like that. Then you can pull the strand underneath. Wow! And then I trimmed the strand, and then I wrote the word pull. And wow, that's it. OMG, so cute, so lovely. Pull. Wow. Oh my god. Your boyfriend or girlfriend is gonna love this. Nice. Very good. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching. I hope all you couples out there find out you are related. Happy Valentine's Day!